When it comes to artificial intelligence tools, speed and integration matter more than ever. That's exactly why Google Agentspace has been introduced, a platform designed to bring together AI-powered agents, workflows, and collaboration in one seamless environment. It's built to simplify how teams create, deploy, and scale intelligent solutions without having to constantly jump between tools. At its core, Google Agentspace acts as a hub where you can build AI agents that connect with data, applications, and processes across your organization. Instead of managing fragmented tools or relying on multiple systems, it centralizes everything, which makes scaling much easier. What makes Agentspace stand out is its flexibility. It integrates smoothly with Google Cloud Services, meaning your agents can leverage the full power of AI models, data storage, and APIs without heavy custom setup. For teams already invested in Google's ecosystem, this reduces friction because instead of starting from scratch, they can extend their existing infrastructure. Another advantage is collaboration. Business users can interact with agents directly to automate tasks like report generation, data analysis, or customer support responses, while developers can fine-tune the underlying logic. That balance allows organizations to empower teams without sacrificing control, ensuring security and governance stay intact. Agentspace aligns with enterprise-grade compliance standards, ensuring sensitive data stays protected while workflows remain transparent. For organizations dealing with regulatory requirements, this adds a layer of confidence in deploying AI at scale. For any organization aiming to use artificial intelligence not just as a concept, but as a practical tool, Google Agentspace provides the structure, integration, and scalability needed to make it real. It's more than an AI platform. It's a workspace for intelligent collaboration, built to accelerate innovation and streamline the way teams work together.